How to access financial calculators on the Regions Bank website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need help planning your finances, well, Regions Bank has free online calculators and you can use it anytime. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you can simply scroll down to the resource or planning tool section and there, if you found the financial calculators, you can simply click on it. And there, once you do it, you can enter details such as loan amount, interest rate, or saving goals, and then hit calculate to see results instantly. And you can adjust the numbers as many times as you want to compare different financial scenarios. And these calculators are free to use with no login required, making it easy to plan smarter before making big decisions. And that's it. That's how you can access financial calculators on the Regions Bank website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.